guys, so I am going to be building the two benches here. I'm gonna have one on this side and one on this side. We're putting one on this side because we have these pipes and we have to leave access for the drain. So we figured if we just put two benches on each side, the shower head is gonna come down the ceiling, so it'll be right in the middle. Alright guys, so I forgot I had copyrighted music in the background and they blocked my video, so I had to mute it. But this is the Ramset Hammershot, and you use this with concrete nails to drive it into the concrete, correct? And right here you're putting the nail. It comes with a little rubber thing on the end to stabilize it. He used 22 round caliber cartridges that go inside the barrel right here of the hammer shot. You slide this part down and you put that inside of there, and then when you apply pressure by pushing down on the hammer's shot and hitting it with the hammer over the top is when it fires the nail into the concrete. Alright, so here we have the main tool. This was about 25 bucks at Home Depot. Alright, inside here, slide this down, is where it'll hold this, which is comes in a little box. It is your 22. It's the load. This is what's gonna make the nail go into the ground. Okay, so this Alright, so this goes into the barrel. This gets pushed up. Now, when you go to use it, this has to be pushed in by pressure, and then you have to hit the top of this with the hammer. You have to do both at the same time for it to go off. So it won't go off if you just push it in like that, or if you just push this. This is the nail that's gonna go into the... Sorry, trying to get it focused. Alright, this is the nail that's gonna go in here. I already have one in there, but that's the nail. This little orange part is what keeps it in there, keeps it straight, and keeps it from falling out. And these are specifically for this. Alright, so make sure you use your safety glasses. You should use earplugs. I couldn't find any and I have to get this done, so but you should definitely. Oh my goodness. Gordo! Alright, so you can see we nailed it too close to the edge and it broke the concrete, so we're gonna have to redo it. Put that nail farther into here. Hopefully it doesn't break anymore. Alright guys, all in all, the Ramset driver was really simple to use. The most intimidating part was using it for the first time. This is the second time that I've used it, so I was a little more comfortable with it. But really the best thing is just cover your eyes, cover your ears. and it's pretty simple to use, man. You load the nail, you load the cartridge in the chamber, put it where you want to put it, and just hit it with that hammer, and it does the rest of the work. It's really pretty cool tool, and for about 20 bucks, 20 something, maybe 30, I don't remember exactly how much we paid for it, but it makes driving into concrete so much easier. Thank you guys for checking out this short video this week. Sorry, I'm still working on the bathroom videos, but I will try to get those done this week. If you like, please hit that like, subscribe button, comment in the comments below, let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys.